Hi Remy, welcome to the show. It
Hi.
is a pleasure to have you on my show.
Same here.
And to just know how this whole thing worked with you. So let's just quickly jump into the conversation. So tell me, Remy, what encouraged you or what motivated you to, quit your corporate job? You were into a good corporate job and then, actually continue your mother's legacy and get started with this business.
So actually, since it was a dream to have a shop outside, I mean to have a boutique. So it was my mom's dream to have a boutique outside. So I just left my job and joined her and really enjoyed working with her. It's a creative field, na?
Right.
So each and every design you make for each and every customer figure, it makes you so happy.
Right.
That and contented, and that became my passion slowly.
Okay.
I like more of making of Western and Indo-Western.
Right.
Those styles which are not available in the market. So now Indian market is very, you don't get that very nice Indo-Western dresses.
Correct.
Which can be made and everyone can look stylish.
Customized, everybody can look stylish. So you were telling me that how initially your grandparents during the Indo-Pak war and all that, they came in and settled here. So since then you guys have been here and settled in
No, after my mom got married, she came down to Chennai.
Okay.
So from then we were born and brought up here only.
Right. Perfect. Now tell me, Remy, that was this transition easy for you? I'm sure it wasn't, because corporate job is very different and running your whole business
totally
on your own is different. And what were like your biggest obstacles initially? How did you go through this transition?
So actually, see, a corporate job is totally different, and when you're starting a business, there are many challenges you have to face, and especially in fashion industry, fashion changes every day.
Correct.
And main problem is workers, the tailors. Tailors are a big problem. So to start off, I was working along with my mom, but then after she passed away, I was working as a one woman army.
Right.
So I was managing everything alone, and then slowly I developed. I made more designs and I got more customers.
Right.
I moved over to I opened a shop outside.
Right.
And we started with the designs. And I always like to design something unique, something different.
Right.
And my main motto is, whoever comes to me to style their dresses, they should look unique wherever you are and whatever age you are.
Correct.
We give that confidence to the customers, because sometimes customers feel, how will I look? I don't know. So we guide them how to wear.
So it's not just the clothes, but even the styling that you help them with and how they look. In fact, the beautiful dress that I'm wearing, to all the viewers, that's designed by her, styled by her, and she's very good at it. Then now tell me, Remy, moving on to the next question, that how did this once you kind of got into this, how did you, what are the changes that you implemented? Like your mom had her ethnic way of doing, as you said, and what were the changes that you had to do in terms of making this business viable for you?
See, actually, to start off, as I told you, you have to keep ourselves updated with the new fashion which is going to come over. Even the colors and all, according to every year, you have certain colors which are in trend always.
Right.
So all these things we have to keep it in mind. But the changes what we made was to give a unique look.
Right.
See, market mein everyone is making dresses.
Correct.
There are so many boutiques everyone is making.
True, very true.
But when people come to me, there should be some uniqueness, some alag se thoda hatke, nice.
Correct.
So that was a change we tried in every small detailing, whether it is a kurta or a western dress or anything.
Right.
Not going the usual ethnic way what everyone does, know. From the buttons, from the laces, I try to give little different. Thoda hatke.
Also, I think one unique factor that I would say when since when I've been visiting her and seen her, is that you help a lot in styling as well.
Yeah.
She will give her personal tips in terms of styling, and she's a very good stylist, by the way. She will suggest to you what goes well on you.
Because not only wearing a nice dress, you go to the mall or anywhere, you pick up a dress, you wear it.
Right.
You should know how to wear the dress, walk, and
how to carry yourself
over
in it,
that
basically.
dress. That's more important.
Correct. So it's not just buying the clothes from her, but it is buying the experience from her. She really does it well.
What dresses we design, we see to it that everyone, we keep buying dresses.
Correct.
But what happens when you're buying from a mall or from anywhere, one particular set which you're buying, you wear it that way what it is given.
Correct.
But when you come to me, I give you ideas how to wear it in 2-3 ways.
Right.
Matlab, one dress when you buy, you can style it in 2-3 styles.
Correct.
2-3 times you can wear the same dress with a different look.
And it'll give you a different look.
It will give you a different look.
Right.
So that also I take care, because you can't keep spending always.
Correct.
and then that particular dress looks really something different.
Right.
तो कोई किसी को लगेगा ही नहीं आपने वही ड्रेस को थोड़ा twist
Differently
करके
style
पहना है.
करके पहन
हाँ,
लिया. Correct. Very true. Okay, Rami, tell me, see, now there are a lot of women out there, okay? Specifically, you know, people who are homemakers. थोड़े time के बाद ऐसा होता है ना कि they forget to look at themselves nice in a stylish manner.
Yeah.
So when such clients come to you, how do you, like, you know, make them feel good, give them that confidence that styling is everybody's cup of coffee and सबको अच्छा stylish लग सकते हैं? How do you deal with that?
See, actually, once a girl gets married, no, I always tell when a bridal order comes, I remind them, see, this is your D-Day of the your life.
Right.
So, इसमें आपने the best लगना है. So,
Correct.
when it's a bride, we ask them to look the best.
Correct.
So, उनके जो design होते हैं, we will not give the design what we give to the normal public. She has to stand out. She has to be the best over there.
Correct.
So, the second time a lady gets the importance is when she is having a first child.
Right.
Then after that, nobody bothers about her. Okay, so no, you are just out of the scene. But after, and then all we ladies, you know, we get busy with the family and other things.
Very true.
And we completely forget about ourselves.
Yeah.
So I do that is, I remind them when they come to me that you also are alive and you need to enjoy.
Correct. And
So
you
what
need to look beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Till whatever age you are, you should look stylish
You
and
should
best.
feel beautiful.
Yeah.
Very true.
So when they come to me, we give them this guidance, we give them that confidence that how you should wear.
Right.
Like sometimes people are little hesitant that if they are a plus size, how should they stand while giving a pose?
Right.
So all these small tips, if they are styling a dress from me, I give them the guidance how to stand,
Right.
how to look slimmer when you're standing,
Right.
how to wear a dress, whatever dress we are going to style, whatever style we want to wear.
Right.
Like suppose if you're going to some event, you want to wear some Western or Indo-Western, or
Right.
you want to wear Indian, whatever you're going to wear. उसमें आप थोड़ा हट के लगें.
Correct.
Everyone should turn and see who has come.
Correct.
You should look like a celebrity. Main point मेरा
Right,
यही होता है.
right.
भाई celebrity नहीं होता है, हम भी celebrity हैं.
Correct,
हम
correct,
कब
सही
होंगे?
बात है.
हम भी बन सकते हैं.
True.
So you should look like a celebrity. तो उसका वो जो confidence and वो जो होता है, that we guide
Work
the
on,
customer.
right.
कैसे कैसे आप कर सकते
So
हैं.
that's the personal touch that basically
Yeah.
you give to it.
Yeah.
Great. That's really nice because, you know, as you rightly said, after a certain point of time, women actually really forget that,
Yeah,
you know,
we forget.
they were once. See, आपका जो लुक है वो ऑलवेज रहता है. तो अगर आप 20 साल में सुंदर थे तो आज भी सुंदर ही
सुंदर ही
हो.
हैं.
बट जस्ट दैट यू हैव फॉरगॉटन दैट बिकॉज यू जस्ट गॉट सो बिजी विथ योर लाइफ एंड किड्स एंड एवरीथिंग दैट यू नो यू
Yeah,
जस्ट
yeah,
डोंट forget to deal with it. So that's a beautiful thing, you know, giving that personal touch and reminding them.
Yeah.
I'm sure you must be able to connect with all your clients on a very personal level that way.
Very much. That's very true.
Me, for the fact that I know that you've been a single mom for a while and you've been dealing with a lot of hardships around, and what brings you out stronger? See, because I understand when you had to, you know, quit your corporate job that has a security, you have a fixed monthly income coming at the end of the day. But vis-a-vis your business, of course, has no certainty.
Yeah.
So how did you, you know, take this call, and how today you feel that that call helped you and, you know, you are on with it?
See, when I left my corporate job, my husband and mom were there with me at that time. So they gave me a lot of support.
Right.
So with that, I could hang on. See, when you're starting a business, it is little tough.
Exactly.
Because you, as you said, you don't have the security of money.
The monthly money
yeah,
coming
monthly
back.
coming in. But this business, if you want to do, you need to have lot of patience.
Right.
Not only with your customers, you have to be good, sweet, get that personal touch, as you said.
Yes.
And with your tailors.
Right.
And with your other
Team,
staff.
correct,
Yeah,
who's
your
working
team, you
with
have
you.
to be
Right.
little patient. And because, see, as a designer, what we design, what is coming into my mind, not necessarily the tailor has understood very well,
very true.
or the master has understood it very well. I know the cutting and stitching, so we see. I tell the customer that how we can style your dress. So वो जो हम what we are telling to the customer, I guide to my masters and tailors, and we stitch accordingly.
Recording. That's amazing. Now that brings me to my final question, Rami. That tell me that what would be that one advice that you would want to give all the women out there today who have this probably in them, who want to quit their corporate jobs and pursue their passion, run behind their passion, but because of course a lot of reasons they are not able to do that. So what will be that one motivating thing that you would like to tell them, that encourage them that, you know, they should give it a try?
Yeah. See, if you want to, it is very true. Passion is very important. If you want to, and if with passion, if you're going to do your business, that's the best. You will
Right.
surely win.
Right.
Because when you have passion, then nothing pulls you down.
Correct.
And as I said, family and business should be separate.
Right.
When you're with the family, you should be with the family.
Right.
Then business should not trouble you.
Right.
When you're in business, then family should not trouble.
Right.
It should not be in your mind. My
Mind.
point is, it should not be in your mind.
Right.
So you give your 100% on your business, you give your 100% to the family, then the life goes smooth.
Right.
It's tough, but we can do it. We are ladies, we are women, no?
Right.
Strong women, and we can do it.
Definitely. I agree. And at that note, I would like to thank you, Rami. Thank you so much for being on my show,
you so
encouraging
much.
all the women out there. You know, today, yes, of course, a lot of times we don't show confidence in our own selves, you know, thinking that अरे नहीं हो पाएगा और छोड़ देते हैं कई बार. But you know, आप जैसे लोग हैं जो एक मिसाल है that you know that no, we should keep going and don't give up on your dreams.
Yeah.
And one day, आज नहीं तो कल हो जाएगा और
And I also believe, you know, we ladies are like flower. Every day when you bloom, you should look different. So that is
Right.
why I say whenever, whatever dress you're wearing, every day when you wear and come out, you should look like a new day. It should be a new day for you, and you should feel a
you
new
should
you
feel new
inside
from
you.
within. True.
Anji, हाँ.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
Rami.
much.
It was pleasure.